Hi everyone, my name is LPARs CHPID. Welcome to my YouTube channel Amazing LPARs. We already know that many LPAR can exist on one machine. Now imagine a hotel with many rooms. The hotel needs more than walls. It also needs a reliable way to distinguish room 201 from room 305 so keys, deliveries, and services reach the correct guest. MAF provides the architectural capability for multiple system images to coexist, and the MAF ID gives each partition a numeric identity. This topic is the bridge between the human idea of a named LPAR and the machine's need for a precise address. The term multiple image facility makes more sense when we unpack the word image. In this context, an image is an older term for a system image, meaning an independently running operating system environment. Today people commonly say partition or LPAR. MAF is the hardware capability that allows multiple such images to exist on the same machine. Think of a large office tower. The tower provides the shared physical structure, but MAF is part of what lets many independent offices operate inside it. Each office still needs a unique identity, which is where the MAF ID becomes important. Before we move ahead, please take a second to like on this video. A like tells me that you enjoyed this topic. Your support helps Amazing LPARs grow naturally. Technical vocabulary often keeps traces of its history. MAF is a good example. The word image appears in the name because the architecture originally described multiple system images. Over time, engineers also used the words partition and LPAR. In normal conversation, these terms often point to the same logical tenet. This is useful because you may read one document that says image and another that says partition. Instead of treating them as different objects, ask whether the context is referring to the same LPAR. Before we move ahead, please take a second to share on this video. Sharing helps this video reach friends who may also enjoy anime, gaming, travel, cricket, chess, career basics, or personal stories. Your support helps Amazing LPARs grow naturally. This is the point where the idea becomes concrete. In the resource statement, partitions are listed with position values inside a channel subsystem. Those values contribute to the partition's MAF identity. In the example, prod1, test1, and linux1 all belong to CSS0 and receive different positions. Think of the resource statement as the front desk assigning room numbers. The names are easy for people to remember. The MAF ID are the precise numeric addresses used by the machine when it needs to identify a specific partition. Before we move ahead, please take a second to like on this video. A like tells me that you enjoyed this topic. Your support helps Amazing LPARs grow naturally. A MAF ID becomes valuable when many partitions exist, and the configuration must refer to one of them precisely. The source prompt shows several examples. A CHPID access definition needs to know which partitions can use the path. An OSC session needs to reach the right console owner. A CTC definition needs a target partition. Coupling definitions connect specific partitions. Think of the MAF ID as a postal code combined with an apartment number. The name may be friendlier for people, but the numeric identity is what helps the system distinguish one partition from another without ambiguity. If LPAR is the apartment, MAF is the capability that lets the building contain many apartments, and the MAF ID is the apartment's precise address. That is the mental model to carry forward. The next topic focuses on the address itself. We will break it into its two pieces, show how hexadecimal positions work, and compare the machine address with the human-readable partition name. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Amazing LPARs. Subscribing makes sure you do not miss the next video, and it gives me motivation to keep improving the quality of every upload. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next one.